Today we are replacing this switch, which, from the looks of it, doesn't work very well. This is the new replacement switch. How innocent. It has no idea what it's getting itself into. Look, it's supposed to lock in the middle. It's a three-way switch. Right side of the margarita mixer isn't working because of this. Let's take the face off. We have to take this off. Can't really tell which one's the new one, to be honest. Oh. Wait. I think I know what's the difference. Check this out. So, this one has definitely seen better days. Check that out. Oh man. I don't think it'll even stay in the middle position. No. This is how it's intended to work. Let's plop that in.